Hey families, welcome to another edition of the Mustang Squad Weekly Video Update. We're going to start this week with Communication Arts. And NCA, your kiddos will be bringing home their reading log that we started this week. You will find this in their agenda binder. There's a place on the bottom for you to sign it. It's due every Friday morning, so they need to read each evening for 20 minutes and then follow the directions on the reading log, which they should know what to do. This week's spelling words are up on the Weebly, jameshuffmanraypeck.weebly.com. We start on Monday with a pre-test, and then we work with the words throughout the week until the post-test on Fridays. All parts of the Daily Five are up and going, and I am conferring individually with each kiddo with reading and writing throughout the week.
For math, we are still working on multiplication and division of whole numbers. Fact fluency is absolutely essential, so if kids can get on Moby Max at home and work on Fact Master if they need to, otherwise the math tab, that would really help them improve in math class. What we're kind of noticing with the data is that kids are really understanding the order of operations part of math, but the thing that's holding them back from getting their threes on the learning target is multiplication and division, 3 digits by 2 digits. So we are working math stations this week, trying to practice those skills as much as we can to help them get their threes. All information with videos and everything are up on my website. You'll see the link right down here below. So check that out if your child is needing more help.
And social studies and science. In social studies, we started yesterday with our new chapter 5 on colonization. Basically, we're starting from the beginning, how the United States began to get colonized from England and Spain, and working our way to the 13 colonies. Science, we are still continuing with the scientific method, basically focusing in on the independent and dependent variables. Make sure that you ask your kids a little bit about that scientific method every night and say, hey, what'd you learn in science today? Let's see, PTA, chocolates aren't here as of right now, and hopefully they will come sometime today for those of you that are waiting for those boxes.
We also have Culver's Night coming up. We will insert the date here when we look it up in just a little bit. Also, Mrs. Jones sent out an email about Battle of the Brains competition last night, so check that out. Mrs. Waltz and I are planning to start student groups later this week, so sign your child up if they're interested in that.